Decorate some Christmas cupcakes using 3 different kind of nozzles. Nozzle is the 826 Cake Flora nozzle. I'm starting right on the side of a cupcake, leaving some space on the other side, and then just going around in a circle to make something that almost resembles a flower. That already is. The next nozzle is going to be the 895. Now you're going to have to turn the piping bag on its side, almost in a vertical way, and start on the one side and only going in halfway, swirling back and forth, back and forth. No matter what side the ruffles of the nozzle is, the only thing is you start on the one side, pressing and going back and forth and turning your hand and your cupcake at the same time. Now we're almost done, because now we're going to use the last nozzle, nozzle 842, just to make small little stars, just pressing and releasing to cover up the last spaces of our cupcake that's showing. Let's just do that again. Doesn't matter what size or what side you start, just press and release, making small little stars. And that's our cupcake. To make it a little bit more festive, I used some sprinkles for Christmas, and there we have beautiful decorated cupcakes using 3 different nozzles, just in time for Christmas. Thanks for watching, and I hope you can join us next time for another tutorial on how to decorate with Cake Flora's nozzles.